Ajube kuma kaunti ya Machakos ni magire kene mutongoria wa kiama kia Wiper Kalonzo Musyoka na kumuria eherere Ũteti na kuhekanya utongoria mweru uria ugutwarithia bururi na mbere.
We have been through these musical chairs before and we are saying enough is enough. We want him to pave way for new blood. You cannot keep on doing the same things and expect different results. We want to see some change in Ukambani.
Mokirire Kalonzo ni kiria maugite ndonanite mogaruruku na mariku magukuria bururi hinda-ini riria koretwo ari utongoria-ini makiria ma miaka 30.
We confirm that the Kamba community is ready for a different political path away from Kalonzo Musyoka and his Wiper party. While we respect him, we urge him to retire honorably, as I've always been saying. We've never seen any meaningful, achievable development during his time, the many years he was in.
Ndumiriri ni rethomirwo ni MCA wa Kagundo ya Ithũĩro Titus Kaloki ni morotete Kalonzo makiuga ni ucungiriire gicigo kiu gutiganirio na gucoka makinya na thutha kiũteti.
Kamba community is today suffering because, for example, never before have we had a few national public appointments as today. And I'm sure you have witnessed in the recent past. We have had negotiations, we have had handshakes, but the Kamba community is nowhere in the current system of government. The sorry state of affairs can be attributed to retrogressive politics in the region, and as Mzee Moi used to say, it's directly attributable to bad politics.
Ajube ya ariania kuma ciama ngũrani ta Jubilee, Wiper na Maendeleo Chapchap ni matugiretie ikinya ria magavana a kuma ikamba-ini Alfred Mutua, Charity Ngilu na Kivutha Kibwana ria guthingatithia urumwe gicigo-ini kiu.
Sisi kama wabunge tunaunga mkono muungano wa magavana wetu watatu katika kaunti za Ukambani, Makueni, Kitui na Machakos. Ni kwa maana ni wazo nzuri ambao waliona, na hatuna shaka kusema kwamba tunajua mwaka 2022 baina ya hawa magavana ambao wako pamoja, bila shaka tutapata kiongozi wa
Gũkĩrĩ ũguo nĩ moritie atongoria kaunti ithatu gukuruhania mutongoria wa bũrũri Uhuru Kenyatta harĩ mĩbango ya gũkũria icigo icio iria maugĩte ikoretwo igicoka na thutha nĩ utongoria mũru. Ngĩribotera Njata TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Muthoni wa Gatũma.